Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Passive income ideas that earn $1,000 plus a month. What is passive income? There are two types of income. Passive income. Earn money while you're spending time doing something else. Active income. Earn money while actively performing a service. Passive income is often seen as the more desirable of the two types of income because you could literally make money while you sleep. Active income, which arguably is the more common type of income, is when you trade your time in exchange for a paycheck. How much passive income could you earn? How much you earn from passive assets is completely up to you. Below are some factors that go into determining how much you can earn. Your effort, your patience, your consistency, your initial monetary investment, your time spent setting up this passive asset. In reality, you can make as much or as little from your passive income sources. Start building multiple streams of income early to reap the benefits later. Best Passive Income Ideas 2022. It's time to take a look at the best passive income ideas to help you build wealth, protect your family financially, and move one step closer to becoming financially independent. Let's dive right in. 1. Start a YouTube channel. Once you create a YouTube channel, you can allow YouTube to run ads on your videos. These are the ads that you see playing before a video. The ads in the column on the right-hand side or below the video. If someone clicks on the ads, then the YouTube creator gets half of the money that the business paid to run the ad. Keep in mind that different channels earn different amounts, depending on their niches. Breakdown: $5 per 1,000 views. 200,000 views equals $1,000 per month. 2. Start a membership website. This is a private site where you regularly add new content. For people to access that content, they have to subscribe to the website. Oftentimes, there is content that people can access for free to give them a taste of what is available. But to get additional content or premium content, they need to pay a monthly membership fee. Depending on what your membership site is about, what it offers to its members, and how premium the content is, you can charge different amounts. The range can be anywhere from $5 to $300 per month. One fantastic thing about a membership site is that it creates recurring revenue month after month, and you don't have to necessarily do anything additional to maintain it. With that being said, some of the best membership sites do add new content every month. It all really depends on how you structure your website and whether you decide to create and schedule your content. Breakdown: 100x $10 members equals $1,000 per month, or 10x $100 premium members equals $1,000 per month. 3. Write a book. Writing a book isn't my favorite way to make passive income because it doesn't have as much profit potential as many other methods. However, it does have some other benefits, including the ability to help you reach other goals and advance your career. Breakdown: $5 per book sale. 200 sales per month equals $1,000 per month. 4. Create a lead gen website for service businesses. With this option, you would work with another business that was offering a service or a premium product to their customers. You would create a website of your own, which would essentially be an advertisement for your partner's business. Your website provides prospective customers with some free resources or potentially the opportunity to book a free consultation call. You would then drive traffic to that website so you can get leads for the company that you're working with. Afterward, the company would pay you for the leads. In order to do this successfully, you will need to have a working knowledge of digital marketing so that you know how to drive the right traffic to the website. Breakdown: $5 per lead x 200 leads equals $1,000 per month. 5. Join the Amazon Affiliate Program. You can get a cut of Amazon's profits by joining their affiliate program. After the quick sign-up process, you can share your affiliate links with people who you think would be interested in purchasing certain products. You are then paid a commission of 4 to 8% of the sale price. The more products your prospects buy on Amazon, the higher the affiliate commission is. One of my favorite things about Amazon's affiliate program is that even if someone clicks on your link and doesn't buy what you recommend, You can still earn an affiliate commission if they purchase anything from Amazon within the next 24 hours. Keep in mind that to earn enough affiliate income to make $1,000, you need to do an excellent job of recommending products to people who want to buy them. Breakdown: $5 per sale x 200 sales per month equals $1,000 per month. 6. Market a niche affiliate opportunity. Instead of making a small commission on a lot of products with Amazon affiliates, you can instead choose one premium product, usually a digital product, and focus on marketing. You can start a YouTube channel or blog based around that product or topic, start building an email list, or promote it on a social media platform. Your goal is to build an audience that will be interested in the product and who trusts you so that they will feel confident in purchasing the digital product you're recommending. Breakdown: $50 per sale x 20 sales per month equals $1,000 per month. 7. Create an online course. Creating a course is another great option to generate passive income. You can sell it on your website or on a third-party platform. Each option has advantages and challenges. If you sell on your own site, then you keep 100% of the profits but have to draw traffic to generate sales. Alternatively, if you sell your course on a third-party platform, such as Udemy, finding customers is much easier, but you won't earn nearly as much per sale. When you sell on your site, you can charge much higher prices. Courses typically sell for $100 to upwards of $5,000. Your price is dependent on what your course is about, what value it gives to the students, and how well you market it. On a third-party platform, courses typically run between $10 and $100, and you earn around 50% of the sale price. Breakdown: sell your course on your own site. 10x $100 sales or $1,000 sale. Sell courses on third-party site. $20 per sale x 100 sales per month x 50% commission equals $1,000 per month. 8. Invest in real estate. I've owned several rental properties in the past, and in my area, it is typical to earn about $250 of profit per month per rental. But of course, there are plenty of things that can throw off that average. At first glance, it might look like the other ideas above are better than investing in rental real estate, because the risk-to-reward ratio is a bit skewed. Fortunately, some benefits you can take into consideration are that you can build equity in a property that could also be appreciated in value at the same time. Breakdown: 4 rental properties x $250 profit per month equals $1,000. 9. Rent out a room in your house. You can rent a room in your house through a website such as Airbnb. This is a great option if you have extra space in your house and you don't mind the company. In addition, you can even consider renting your entire home if you travel a lot, whether it be for business or vacation. Renting a room can range anywhere between $25 to $100 per night, depending on the location and where you live. Breakdown: $50 per night x 20 nights equals $1,000. Passive income definitely takes a lot of upfront work to create, but it can be a great way to diversify your income. Depending on which route you decide to take, the initial investment can pay off immensely. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.